Hey everyone, it's Dr. Keen, and I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial here about this assignment that we have on Health Center 21 that's due tomorrow. Like I said, it is a major grade, and really all you need to do is complete all the way through it, including the 2 quizzes. 20% of your total grade will be how well you do on those quizzes, so make sure you actually do well on those. The other 80% will be you completing through the whole program. So I just wanted to make sure, it looks like very few of you have seen that there's an online digital worksheet on here and you're not filling it out, so I just want to make sure you don't miss that part. So if this is what yours should look like. You got career development, and then you should have these two programs here, career exploration and research, and then you have all these lessons in here. Now, up top here, where it says Open Electronic Worksheet, you have to click on that and fill this out. This is part of the program. If you don't do this, then you haven't completed the whole thing. So make sure that you open this electronic worksheet and complete it. When you do that, it'll show up on my side that you completed it. But if you don't open that and complete that, then you haven't completed the entire module. Same thing for career goals and barriers. There's one in here too. You gotta click on that, fill it out, and then it'll tell me that you've completed it. So again, just real quick, what you're being graded on and what you're going to be getting a grading Skyward on is that you completed all the way through both these sections, including the electronic worksheets, and that you've taken the quizzes, and the quizzes will be worth 20% of that final grade. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, but hopefully this helps you. Have a good day.